Here are 4 things preventing you from making meal planning a habit. Just like creating an exercise habit can help improve your mood, sleep, health, and longevity, creating a meal planning habit will help you save money, waste less time, waste less food, and reduce overall stress. But there are 4 things you might be doing that are sabotaging your ability to create a meal planning habit. Number 1, you're starting too big. You don't have to live by the motto, go big or go home. Creating a new habit doesn't happen overnight, and meal planning is no different. Start by planning the meals that will have the most impact on your day, like dinner. Having a solid plan for dinner every night is going to reduce your stress, make grocery shopping easier, and help you feel prepared every single night. And you don't need to start by planning for extended periods of time. Plan ahead for the next 3 dinners, go grocery shopping, and experience the ease of having dinner already planned. You will learn along the way what works best for you, and you can adjust as needed. Number 2 is you're not paying attention to your schedule. The fastest way to fail at your meal plan is to plan the wrong recipes on the wrong days. If you have days of the week that are particularly busy, plan simple meals for those nights. Something like a meal that you dump in the crock pot in the morning and then it's done by the time that you're home from work, or simply eating last night's reheated leftovers. And make sure you schedule any meal prep or batch cooking on a day like Saturday or Sunday when you have time to get it all done at once. Number 3 is you're not incorporating your family or your partner. Environmental factors such as your family and household can dramatically affect your ability to stick to a new habit. Include your kids or partner in the brainstorming and meal planning process so that everybody has a say in what's going to be for dinner over the course of the next week, and this will also help increase the likelihood that you'll stick to the habit. Number 4 is you're not using the right tools. If your recipes are a mess of bookmark blogs, Instagram posts, or printed recipes, you are never going to keep everything together and remember what you need for the grocery store. You're going to inevitably end up back at the store to buy some random things so that you can make dinner tonight. So if you want to start meal planning, you need to have a place to store your recipes, create meal plans, and shopping lists. This is why I think having the Planty app is essential for your meal planning process. You can save all your recipes to the app. There's a calendar where you can create a meal plan around your schedule, and the program will make a shopping list for you. So if you're looking to get started meal planning, make sure you have the right tools for the job. I hope these simple tips help you create a lifelong meal planning habit. And if you're somebody who's already an experienced meal planner, let me know in the comments of this video what advice you would give to someone who's new to meal planning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.